Welcome to this BDCOM GPON product tutorial. This video provides a step-by-step guide on how to configure the Wi-Fi SSID and password on a BDCOM HGU. This tutorial is applicable to BDCOM Wi-Fi 6 supported HGU models, including the GP1706 series. To begin, please turn the device over and locate the label on the underside of the unit. This label contains the factory default login credentials required to access the management interface. For the purposes of this tutorial, the default username is user, and the default password is 123456. Prior to accessing the management interface, ensure that your computer is properly connected to the HGU. The device supports both wired and wireless connections. For a wired connection, use a standard UTP cable to connect your computer to any available LAN port on the HGU. For a wireless connection, refer to the device label for the default SSID and Wi-Fi password. Once the connection has been established, your device will automatically obtain an IP address from the HGU's DHCP server within the 192.168.123.0/24 subnet. Once connected, please launch a web browser to proceed. In the browser address bar, enter the HGU's default management IP address, 192.168.123.1, and press enter. The web-based management login page will be displayed. Enter the username, user, and the password, 123456, in the respective fields. Then click the login button to proceed. Upon successful authentication, you will be directed to the device status page. This page provides an overview of the device's current operational status. From here, proceed to the Wi-Fi configuration section. Navigate to the Net menu, then select WLAN. This is the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi settings page. In the SSID field, you will see the current Wi-Fi name, for example, 2.4G A7E0. Enter the new Wi-Fi name you would like to use for your 2.4 GHz network. Next, scroll down to the WPA pre-certification shared key field. Enter your desired Wi-Fi password here. It must be between 8 to 63 characters. When you are done, click OK to save your settings. Next, return to the Net menu and select WLAN 5G. This is the 5 GHz Wi-Fi settings page. In the SSID field, enter the name you would like to use for your 5 GHz network. Then scroll down to the pre-shared key field and enter your desired Wi-Fi password. Again, the password must be between 8 to 63 characters. When you are done, click OK to save your settings. At this point, your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks are fully configured. You will notice there is no separate toggle or tab for Wi-Fi 6 in these settings. That is by design. This HGU is built to function as a universal host by default. Think of it like a smart translator. When a device connects to this SSID, the router automatically communicates in that device's language, whether that is Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, or Wi-Fi 6. It detects what the device is capable of and delivers the best possible speed and performance, all under a single network name. So even though there is no dedicated Wi-Fi 6 button, your newer devices are already benefiting from the enhanced speeds that Wi-Fi 6 provides, while your older devices remain connected without any additional configuration required. It is one network that works seamlessly for every device. This concludes the Wi-Fi configuration tutorial for the BDCOM GP1706 Series Home Gateway Unit. Your Wi-Fi network names and passwords have now been successfully configured across the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Please reconnect your client devices using the updated credentials to resume network access. Whether your devices support Wi-Fi 4, Wi-Fi 5, or Wi-Fi 6, they will all connect automatically and receive the best performance the network can offer. For additional tutorials and technical resources, please follow our channel. Should you have any inquiries, kindly leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.